Hey, um, I've been wanting to make a video showing this tree, and I want to see it get burnt down. I'm gonna record the tree getting burnt down. Okay, let me think. Yeah, I'll tell you what I did after I burned it down. Okay, bye.